If you need to add Nexos.AI credits, this quick tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. Whether you're topping up your account for the first time or simply adding more credits so you can keep using the platform without interruption, this is the fastest way to do it. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Let's jump in. First, log into your Hostinger account. You'll want to use the account that has access to your Nexos.AI billing or services area. Once you're inside, take a look at the left-hand menu. This is where Hostinger keeps a lot of its tools and services, so don't worry if you don't see Nexos.ai right away. What you need to do next is click More Services from the left menu. After you open More Services, you'll see a drop-down list of available services. From that list, choose Nexos.ai Credits. This is the section where you can manage your credit balance and add more whenever needed. If you don't select the correct option here, you may end up in the wrong dashboard, so make sure you choose Nexos.ai Credits specifically. Once you're on the Nexos.ai Credits page, look for the Add Credits button. Go ahead and click it to begin the top-up process. At this stage, the platform will usually take you to a payment flow where you can select how much credit you want to add and prepare your purchase. Take a moment to review everything carefully before moving forward, especially if this is your first time adding credits. Next, choose your payment method. Depending on your account and region, you may see different payment options available. Pick the one that works best for you, whether that's a card or another supported payment method. Make sure your payment details are correct so the transaction goes through smoothly without any delays. After selecting your payment method, the final step is to click Complete Payment. This confirms the transaction and adds the credits to your Nexos.ai account. Once the payment is processed, your balance should update and your account will be ready to use again. If the credits don't appear immediately, give it a moment and refresh the page. And that's it. You've successfully added Nexos.ai credits through Hostinger. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and now you can manage your account without running into credit issues. If this tutorial saved you time, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.